I am heading to Montauk tonight, and I have so much that I need to do before then. I am so excited to be going to Montauk. We are heading out tonight after my friend gets done with work. Have I packed? No. Have I got a gift for my aunt and uncle who we're staying with? Also no. Have I finished up the work that I want to do today? No. So let's see what I can do before we head out tonight. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Kayla. I'm 35 years old. I live in New York City, and I share little bits and pieces of my life on the internet. I am thinking that first I am going to go grab a gift for my aunt and uncle. There is this really cute shop in my neighborhood that has just like really adorable stuff, and I feel like it's like the perfect place to go grab something for someone that you're going to go visit as like a thank you for housing me and my best friend for the weekend. Let's head there and see what we can find. I have no clue what to bring them. Was a success. I went to Gray Pearl, which is on University, and every time I go there, they are so helpful and just guide me to the perfect gift for the situation that I need. They packed it up all nice, so I don't want to undo this, but I took a photo of what I got. It is a tomato scented candle that looks like a tomato. I think it's very cute. And then this like fancy salt, just feels like the right choice for a beach house. I should probably start packing. I was organized enough to make my whole packing list and write everything out, but now I actually have to pack the things and decide what outfits to bring. Do I bring workout clothes? All of that good stuff. Okay, you know the packing is getting serious when you get on the floor. I am hoping to fit it all in this Dagny Dover bag. I got it on an event, which is quite the nice thing to get in an event. I'm usually not that fancy, so I'm hoping it fits everything that I need. First up, bathing suits. We'll have 3 actual days in Montauk, so I want to bring a bathing suit for each day. I've been really into the brand Cupshe. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I feel like they have the cutest bathing suits that are not super expensive. Like, look how cute this one is. I just love it. It's got good high-waist stuff. Also really like this one. I got it in another color as well. That's how much I like it. So we got our bathing suits. So I don't even want to use packing cubes. I might use them just to keep everything organized and together. All the bathing suits go together. Also going to pack some cover-ups. I feel like the beauty of going to a beach town is that a cover-up is like a pretty acceptable outfit at all times of the day. We got this one from Cupshe. Someone called it a schmata to me recently, which if you don't know, in Yiddish, that is like a phrase for a handkerchief, essentially, a scrap of fabric, and they're not wrong. It kind of is a schmata, but I like it. It goes over the bathing suit, it's comfy, it's light. I think it works, we're going for it. Then I also have this cover up as well. I like that it's like still a cover up, but not super see-through. Both of these are from Cupshe. I'm telling you, I'm obsessed with them. I think I'm also gonna bring clothes to wear in the morning in case I don't feel like putting on a bathing suit yet, but like, I don't need to look cute. I'll probably be a little gross walking on the beach, that kind of vibe. We got workout shorts that are falling on the floor. Bringing 2 workout tops. I don't think I'm gonna work out, but I do think that they're just like easy, comfy outfits. And then I've just really been into white tanks that I feel like they just work. So I think I'm gonna bring jean shorts in case I wanna wear those. This is where I get in trouble and start overpacking. Back to basics, Kayla, back to basics. Thinking that I'm gonna work out there is just a very cute pipe dream. And I am someone that likes working out on vacation, but I just don't think this is the trip for that. So I don't think it's worth wasting this space on workout clothes. Even if I bring like one outfit just in case. I don't even know what we would do. Would we go bike riding? I don't think we would. I don't think we're those kind of people. For evening outfits, we have 3 different nap dresses. Just like my easiest, laziest outfit to bring. I know it works. I don't know if this is the best way to go about this. Pretty much good to go on that. Just need pajamas, underwear, and we're good. Are you really going on a vacation if you don't pack way more underwear than you could ever possibly need? Water shoes, pajamas, and then just like a sweatshirt in case it gets chilly at night and we're like sitting outside on the porch. Uh-oh. Okay. We're running into some trouble here. Oh no. I think it can all fit. I have faith. Whew. Ruh-roh. I think I can get these better packed in on their own. Let's see. Yeah! We did it! Oh my God. Okay, cool. We did that. It is toiletry time. Let's take this show to the bathroom. Toothbrush. I really like that the Quip comes with a cover. Just super easy. Toothpaste. Great. Retainer. Acne stuff, just in case. Moisturizer, I bought a little tiny one. I think I want to pre-pack the beach bag with the sunscreen, Trader Joe's stuff, the best. I've also been really liking the brand Vacation. Hello, beach bag. I don't want to mess this up, so I'm gonna pause on the recording for a second so that I actually pay attention. So I'm gonna pop up the list of things that I always keep on my packing list and then go grab those things. Okay, it was a couple hours later, made great progress unpacking. Pretty much everything is packed except for stuff that I will need before I leave tonight. We are driving there, which is very nice. So I'm not so worried about how much stuff I'm carrying. I did make the decision of what books I'm bringing, which is always the most challenging decision to make on vacation. You might be watching this being like, Kayla, that is not the most challenging decision to make. But for me, it is. I take my book selection very seriously. I never want to run out of books. I also never want to end up with a book that I won't like. Like, there's nothing worse than being on a trip, you start a book, you don't like it, you don't have another book. Devastating. Number 1, we have My Life Next Door. This is what I'm currently reading. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I've been reading this book for a month now, which surprises me because it's YA. Usually I can blitz through YA novels, which is one of the reasons why I like it. I am enjoying it, that's not the issue, but something about it is just a slow read for me. I don't know, I'm very confused by it. I'm very ready to be done with it. I want to read something new. I want to read something different. I want the feeling of finishing a book. Book number 2 is Friends to Lovers. Did I impulse buy this today at the Strand? Yes. Do I have a stack of probably 50, maybe even 100 books that I'm staring at right now that I could have brought? Yeah, but I really wanted to read this. I mean, it's called Friends to Lovers, which is my personal favorite romance trope. It's got short chapters, which is one of my favorite things in a book. Like, these are very short chapters, which I deeply appreciate. I think it's gonna be a good one. I just need to finish that other book. And then last, I decided to bring Liar's Beach. I read another book by her earlier this summer, 99 Days, which was also YA, and I really liked where it ended up going. And I can be a sucker for a YA thriller, and like especially so for a YA thriller with a summer vibe. So I feel like this is a fun change of pace from what I've been reading lately, but also still feeds into my obsession with only reading books about summer in the summer. I will say the probability of me only finishing that one book is probably pretty high, but I don't know. Dream big. I've decided to set some rules for my vacation. I did this when I went to Punta Cana a few months ago, and there was something really nice about like setting rules to set the tone for what I want this trip to be. Number one is you don't have to post, but you can post. If there is something that I feel like sharing, I will share it, but knowing that I don't have to feel like I need to post. It's okay to take the weekend off, girl. Number two is Friday is a creative work-ish day. My friend that I'm going with is working remotely on Friday, so he will be working all day that day. I have flexibility with my schedule and I don't have any meetings or anything specific tomorrow. So my hope is it's gonna be a kind of like fun, creative work day. I'm currently taking a writing class, so I would love to do my writing assignment for the week and catch up on that work. But otherwise, like, we're not editing videos. We're relaxing. We're not recording videos. We are relaxing. Number three, no social media at the beach. It's fascinating that I even need to say that, but I do think it's a really good rule to set for myself. And number four, on a very different note, you must eat seafood at least once a day. Highly encouraged during lunch as well as dinner. And thus concludes my rules for Montauk. On that note, I think we're gonna wrap up this video so I can edit it and post it before I'm on my merry way tonight with my friend. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am very excited for this trip and I'm hoping it'll be a nice little reset. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to see more day in the life vlogs, which are typically more New York City life than me packing up for a trip, since that does not happen all that often. But thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you next time.